Hello, coffee enthusiasts. If you're someone who loves the idea of having premium coffee delivered to your door, but wants more than just a regular subscription, you're in the right place. Today, we're diving into the world of Build Your Wolfpack Coffee and exploring their subscription model, a program that goes beyond just getting coffee delivered. In this video, we'll take a closer look at how this subscription is designed to build a true sense of community and offer unique benefits that make being a member of the Wolfpack much more than just a coffee routine. Before we jump in, be sure to like, subscribe, and hit that notification bell so you don't miss out on more exciting stories and insights. Let's dive into the benefits of joining the Build Your Wolfpack Coffee community. Number 1, a tailored coffee experience that's all about you. The Build Your Wolfpack Coffee subscription model is all about personalization. Unlike many subscription services that simply send you a random bag of coffee, Build Your Wolfpack takes your preferences seriously. When you join the subscription, the first thing you do is take a fun and easy quiz that helps the brand learn about your coffee taste. Are you a fan of dark roasts? Or do you prefer something lighter? Do you like your coffee with a bold punch or something more subtle? Your answers allow them to handpick the perfect coffee blends tailored to your exact taste. This focus on personalization means that every delivery feels custom, making your coffee experience unique and suited to your individual preferences. Number 2, exclusive member perks and limited edition offerings. Being part of the Build Your Wolfpack Coffee community comes with exclusive perks that set it apart from other subscription services. For one, subscribers get access to limited edition blends that are only available to members. These seasonal or special blends often come with fun names and flavor profiles inspired by the brand's adventurous spirit. But it doesn't stop at coffee. Subscribers also get early access to exclusive merchandise, special discounts, and even invitations to members-only events like coffee tastings or virtual meetups with the founders. These perks not only enhance the coffee experience, but also give you a sense of belonging to a community that's always in the know about the latest and greatest offerings. Number 3, flexible subscriptions and no commitment. Another standout feature of the Build Your Wolfpack Coffee subscription model is its flexibility. Life can be unpredictable, and the last thing you want is a subscription service that locks you into a long-term commitment or sends you coffee when you don't need it. With Build Your Wolfpack, you're in control. You can choose how often you want your coffee delivered, whether that's weekly, bi-weekly, or monthly, depending on your consumption. Plus, you can easily adjust, skip, or cancel your subscription at any time without any hidden fees or penalties. This flexibility ensures that your subscription fits into your lifestyle, whether you're a coffee enthusiast who drinks a pot a day or someone who enjoys a cup here and there. Number 4, supporting local farmers and sustainable practices. When you join the Build Your Wolfpack Coffee subscription, you're not just getting great coffee, you're also supporting sustainable practices and ethical sourcing. The brand is committed to sourcing its beans from small-scale farmers who follow environmentally friendly practices. This means that by subscribing, you're directly contributing to a more sustainable coffee industry. But Build Your Wolfpack doesn't stop at ethical sourcing. They also focus on reducing their carbon footprint. All their packaging is eco-friendly, from the coffee bags to the shipping materials. This commitment to sustainability ensures that your love for coffee also helps protect the planet, making your subscription feel good on every level. Number 5, a community built around coffee. One of the most unique aspects of the Build Your Wolfpack Coffee subscription is the sense of belonging it fosters. When you become a subscriber, you're not just a customer, you're part of the Wolfpack. The brand goes beyond providing quality coffee by creating a community where coffee lovers can connect, share, and learn. Subscribers are invited to join exclusive online groups and forums where they can discuss their favorite blends, share brewing tips, and even participate in challenges or giveaways. Build Your Wolfpack also hosts live virtual events where members can join coffee tastings, ask questions, or interact with the brand's founders and guest experts. This creates a sense of community that keeps you engaged and connected with other like-minded coffee enthusiasts from around the world. Number 6. The joy of discovering new flavors and coffee cultures. Finally, one of the biggest benefits of subscribing to Build Your Wolfpack Coffee is the joy of discovering new flavors and coffee cultures. The subscription allows you to explore coffee from all over the world, with each delivery offering unique flavor profiles from different regions. The brand regularly features coffees from diverse growing regions, introducing members to different brewing methods, flavor notes, and the stories behind each coffee bean. These features make each delivery feel like a mini adventure, expanding your knowledge of coffee and its cultural significance. This continual exploration of new flavors ensures that there's always something new to look forward to with every cup, keeping the subscription experience exciting and educational. So, there you have it, the many benefits of joining the Build Your Wolfpack Coffee community. From the tailored coffee experience to exclusive perks, flexibility, and a focus on sustainability, this subscription model offers so much more than just a monthly coffee delivery. As a subscriber, you're not just getting great coffee, you're joining a community of passionate individuals who value quality, connection, and adventure. And with every cup you brew, you'll feel even more connected to the global coffee community that Build Your Wolfpack is creating. Ready to join the pack? Visit buildyourwolfpack.com to sign up today and start enjoying a coffee experience that's truly different. We can't wait for you to be part of the adventure.